Howard. I was actually quite interested in Stuart's response to a lot of the questions today.
We don't have another hour.
We don't have another hour. But I think that Stuart has, with his profile already, is exemplary of the kind of members and the kind of stories professionally that you've been hearing all morning. And in an effort to expand and make this a national program, this has given me a lot of food for thoughts. And of course, your evaluation and your feedback would be most important. There are professionals, Asian Americans all around the country who are looking for, who have the same aspirations that you do. And so in order to embrace all of this, we'd like to have your input, and maybe if you're interested in planning for this, we are going to launch a specific women leader, Asian American women leader exchange in New York, and in a pilot program that could be a quarterly exchange, and that it could evolve into a yearly conference symposium with your input, and with APAC's assistance of ICE and other partners around the country that we can join in this effort together. And again, it is a pleasure for me to, very inspiring to see the turnout and to have heard the stories of our fellow members. Thank you so much.